Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create a word search puzzle book in Canva step by step so that you can sell it online. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you don't have a Canva account yet, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on canva.com. Then you need to sign up here with the help of your free email address. So this way you will be able to get the Canva's free version absolutely for free. So make sure that the templates option is selected here on the top. Now simply search for printable puzzle books. Now once you search for this query and hit enter, you will find a bunch of different puzzle book templates over here. Like we have this one, but you will see this type of marked icon or this type of crown here on top of this template. If you see it here, which simply means that this particular template is paid. So if you want to use it, you need to buy Canva paid subscription. But since we want to create it for free, you just have to scroll down a bit and try to look at some of the free puzzles that are available here. As you can see, we have it something like this. So click on the option of customize this template right next to it. Then it will be opened in a new tab and it will come here in front of you just like this one. Now you can also start creating your own template, but in my opinion it would be very easy for you to basically create your design here in Canva. Now once you are inside this particular template, you can see over here it has given us all of the words here, then the alphabets that we need to look at, and all of the answers as well. Now, here is one thing that you need to understand, that Canva is not going to generate the word searches automatically for you. So you will need to first of all create them using any of the free puzzle generators online, or you can manually design the grid in Canva, which we have it over here with the help of the tables, letters, and text boxes. So once you have the puzzle grid, you can directly upload it to Canva and place it inside your page. You can add the list of the words on the same page so that readers know what to find. So here you can start customizing it here. So first of all, give the name on your puzzle, then you can select the date. After that, simply give this word search puzzle a name. Then you can add a short description if you want. After that, you just have to select this particular section. Then when you click on the option of three dots right next to it, you can basically do a bunch of different things, like you can copy it, you can copy the style, then paste it, merge it, delete it, and more. So as you can see, we have all the sections available. So if you just scroll down a bit and add a new page, it is going to show you this type of blank page in front of you. Now here, simply go to the elements section and select this rectangle. Now after selecting it, go to the stroke style. Then you need to select it something like this. Then select the stroke color and make it black. Now you can change the color of this particular shape. So let's say I want it white. Now you need to use it and place it something like this. Here, simply go to the text section, add a text box, place it over here inside this particular box. Now, first of all, increase the text size, then go to the fonts section and select the font as DM Sans, or you can also select Canva Sans. So once you are here, simply type name, then colon, and you need to give this name a bold texture. Then you can place it something like this. After that, you can add the date if you want, so you can just copy and paste it. and add it here something like this. You can remove the name and place date over here. Now our first section is ready. In the second section, you can add the reason why you are making this particular template. So you can hover over to the left hand side of yours and you can take a look at a bunch of different font styles. So you can choose any one of these. For example, let's say I've selected this one. So here I'm going to be giving it something like summer challenge, and then you just have to start customizing it. If you want to change its color, you can select it and do it something like this. Then go to the elements section and search for word search. So once you search for word search puzzle here, simply go to the graphics section. Here you will find a bunch of different word search puzzles. So you can select the grid here just like so. After that you can place the grid and you just have to make it big. Then in each and every boxes you will have to start adding the words manually. So here you can select the text, you can place it over here, then you can give the name or the alphabet, let's say N, and now you just have to place it something like this. Similarly, you can copy and paste it. You can place the second alphabet over here, then you can give the alphabet name, and similarly you will have to fill out all of these columns with the words that are available in your puzzle. After that, underneath or in the bottom of this particular section, you just have to start giving the answers just like so, and your puzzle will be ready. Now, in order to download it, simply click on the option of share in the top right hand corner, and click on the option of PDF and select your page, then click on the option of download. So this way you will be able to start creating word search puzzle book in Canva step by step. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.